Good morning, class 12. Welcome everyone to our geography practical class. Today I will conclude our last chapter, that is chapter number 4. So students, let's start. Here we have to show how we will use MS Excel for the calculation of central tendencies. In central tendencies, we have to calculate only the average, and that is mean, and the standard deviation by using MS Excel. How we will find out the value of average or mean and the value of standard deviation or SD, all details are written in this page, and step to step means step 1 we have to enter in a Excel spreadsheet, then we have to click on the cell. Thus we have to go through in detail from each to another step to find out the value of standard deviation as well as the value of mean. Then the last topic from this chapter is the construction of graphs by using MS Excel. Okay, how we will plot the graph within a MS Excel. Here also I have written some of the steps. So if you go through with all this step one after another, then you can easily plot the data that will be given to you. With the help of MS Excel, we can plot this data within a spreadsheet. Just like this, step 1 we have to enter the data in worksheet as shown, then select the cell, dragging the mouse or the right button pressed over the cell, then click on the chart wizard, and this will open step 1 of 4 of chart wizard. Then double click onto the simple bar diagram like this. So all the steps are very clearly written here. If you go through in detail with this step, then you can easily draw this bar diagram within a MS Excel spreadsheet. And don't forget to put the heading here, and the heading will be like this: construction of bar diagram using MS Excel. So students, that's all for today, and I hope you all understood this chapter well. Stay safe. Thank you.